In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage custody transfer rules with Docusign Esignature in just 5 minutes. If you're new to Docusign or want to fine-tune your document handling workflows, this guide will be your go-to resource for ensuring your documents are transferred with ease and precision. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the Docusign website. Open your preferred web browser and type in docusign.com. This will take you to the Docusign homepage, known for being #1 in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the login button, which is typically situated at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on Login to proceed. Now, you'll be directed to the login page where you need to enter your credentials. Ensure that you've typed in your email and password correctly, as this will give you access to your account's dashboard. If you happen to have multiple accounts, make sure you are logging into the right one for managing custody transfers. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. From here, locate the navigation menu and click on Admin. This section is crucial as it allows administrative alterations and is where most of the management settings, including custody transfer rules, are situated. Once you click on Admin, a new dashboard will appear. This is your central location for overseeing the finer aspects of your account. Look for the custody transfer option in the menu and click on it. This feature is specifically designed to handle the transfer of document custody from one user to another within an organization, ensuring all your agreements and signatures are managed seamlessly. You are now ready to add a new custody transfer rule. To do this, simply click on Add Rule. Adding a rule allows you to specify conditions under which documents can be transferred between parties. This process is vital if you need to implement specific workflows or if certain documents must change hands under specific circumstances. When adding a rule, take time to define the required parameters clearly, whether it's based on the document type, user roles, or other criteria relevant to your operations. Remember that precise rule setting here is key to avoiding mismanaged transfers and ensuring all legal aspects are correctly addressed. Once your rule is set up to your satisfaction, make sure to save it. Double check all settings and requirements are correctly inputted, as any errors here could affect future document transfers. With everything properly configured, your custody transfers will now operate smoothly in line with the rules you've established. And there you have it. Managing custody transfer rules in Docusign Esignature is straightforward once you know where to start. This simple yet powerful feature ensures that your document management workflows remain airtight and compliant. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher. Happy signing!